Hello, Venturesome! Welcome to Scenic Life Adventure. I was going to say Start Growing Garden. That's my other channel. By the way, check that out and subscribe. I'm going to put the link below. So, I'm going to share to you how I prepared this dish. This is Korean dish called tteokbokki, 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 tteokbokki. Tteokbokki, tteokbokki. Basta ganun siya. And if you want to achieve this consistency, we're in balanced yung distribution ng sauce and it sticks to the ingredients. So that means every bite has its flavor. And it's not watery, it's not runny. It's that it sticks to the ingredients. Yung hindi nang iiwan. Yes. I'll also suggest some add-ons that can make your dish extra. I'm going to show it to you during the process, so keep watching. If you're still watching, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload new contents. Thank you. Thank you. And again and again. Thank you. Let's start by adding 2 cups of water, but I actually added 2.5 cups of water because I don't like too spicy food because I can't taste the other ingredients or the food like all in all, like overall taste of it because it's been overpowered by spiciness. So I prefer yung mild lang, tama lang. So other option for this before adding the sticky rice sticks in the sauce, first while it's boiling you can add seaweeds. If you don't have seaweeds, yung seaweed sheets, the ones that is used to rub the sushi, ganyan ganyan, and dried fish, you can use dilis or anchovies, dried fish, and you boil it, and then after boiling it for 5 minutes you set aside the fish and the seaweeds, and then you can eat the seaweeds, and then use the boiled water to cook the sticky rice and the fish cake in there. So it has a bit like fish flavor, but if you don't like a fishy smell or gonna, you can skip that part. Alright, so let's wait for it to thoroughly boil and the sauce to reduce. I suggest to cook it in high heat so that it'll have shorter time to, you know, to reduce the sauce and not to overcook the rice cakes or the sticky rice and the fish cake as well. So I bought this ready to cook set. So if you want to make your own sauce, prepare your own sauce, you can add 1/2 to 1/3 cup of chili paste and 1 tablespoon sugar. You can also add 1/2 tablespoon of soy sauce for richer color and for a little bit of salty flavor. Other add-ons you can add are boiled eggs. You can choose from chicken eggs and quail eggs. So I guess it's better to use quail eggs because it's compact, it's smaller, so you don't have to slice it, and it's like almost the size of, and it's just the size of the dish, like the fish cake and the rice. So if you're going to use the chicken boiled eggs, make sure that you don't slice it, or it's the whole, you put it like whole eggs there and then you slice it if you're going to eat it after you halo you mixed everything, because if you're going to slice the egg while stirring this, it will become like egg sandwich the egg yolk will be mixed together with the sauce, and we don't like that because the taste will be different. So it's better to add quail eggs, but if it's not available, you can add whole eggs, and then you can cut it if you are going to serve it or you're going to eat it na. All right. Our sesame seeds, you can add white or black sesame seeds, or you can mix the two colors together and it will be more colorful and more life to the more contrast sa food. And then you can also add spring onions. Slice the spring onions 1.5 inches or 2 inches, depending on the size of the sticky rice sticks as well. So yeah, you can add those ingredients after you added the before or after or together with the fish cake, right? But it's better to add the hot dog ahead because it needs to be cooked unless it's pre-cooked or steamed already. All right, you can add it all together. So I hope that helps. And then yeah, as you can see there, it's just a basic one. Like like based on what I cooked here and I prepared, because I actually saved some of the ingredients kasi gagamitin namin for future dish. So, and the market is a bit malayo, is a bit far, or it needs to be, it's an errand to go. So, yeah, and that's why but I hope that what I've told you and shared to you will help you in the future. So, thank you.